Hi, welcome back to the channel where I help people prepare for the IAA Level 1 exam so they can become UK immigration advisors as practitioners of UK immigration law. Now, if you are working towards your IAA Level 1 regulation or you're thinking about starting that, there's a bit of news I want to walk you through today. So the IAA has just put out an update about changes to how competence assessments are going to be run. So nothing has changed just yet for anyone sitting the exam right now, but there are some things worth knowing about and worth flagging for future. So let's get into that now. So the IAA's contract with their current assessment provider is coming to an end, and because of that, they're now running a tender process to appoint a new provider to deliver the competence assessments going forward. So just to be clear, this isn't the IAA necessarily changing the syllabus or changing what's being tested necessarily. It's about who is actually delivering the assessments on their behalf. So that said, that can still have real practical impacts on us for those of us taking the exam. Things like the exam booking system, the format, how the exam runs on the day itself. So as we find out more about that, I will be updating you with that information. So the IAA has acknowledged that this could cause a bit of disruption, these changes coming to the exam. They do recognise that there could be questions, especially if you're currently working towards your level 1 right now and you've got your assessment date booked in the coming months. So they're prepared for that. They've also said there may be some disruption during the actual transition period once that starts, but they are hoping to work with everyone to keep everyone involved in terms of the updates and to maintain continuity where they can. So it's still early days. Granted, that doesn't give us too much to go on at this point, but they will update the information as they are able to and when they know more. But the fact that they're flagging it early rather than springing it on people, last minute is a very good sign. So the more interesting part of all of these changes, in my view, is that the IAA has said that the new contract is going to give them a chance to modernize and streamline that assessment process. So a few things stand out here. So they are looking to simplify the arrangements and the process for candidates. So that is good news. They're also going to be more focused on assessing ethics and the code of standards. So if you are studying for a future date, that's definitely something to take note of. So remember that no details have been confirmed just yet. We don't have information on, any new formatting or new question types. None of that has been announced. It's more a statement of direction, really, from the IAA about what they're aiming for and what they're hoping to introduce in the coming months. Now, in terms of what you should do right now, well, honestly, not too much needs to change today. I would say that if you've got an assessment booked in the coming months, keep preparing as you are. Nothing in this update that the IA has provided says existing bookings are affected. Right? Keep an eye on any official communications from the IAA. They've said they'll share more on timelines and the new exam provider as it becomes available, and they'll provide guidance and support throughout the transition. The other thing you can do is be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can stay up to date with any new information that does come out about these changes. So that's everything we know for now. If you found this useful, it helps a lot if you would like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss important information about this exam. If you are looking to get your registration completed as soon as possible, or you want more information about training for the IAA Level 1 exam, click the link in the description for more information. Again, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel so I can help more people like you pass this IAA Level 1 exam and become UK immigration advisors.